Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for coming back. Today we're gonna go over the new build. Karnage RC chassis, Alien V3 in green. Can't get better than that. It's come out pretty good. So far we've added the Fat Viper, a digital cordless servo, of course. We got links from V.enge RC. Found these on Etsy. Crazy clearance here. I'm still exposing the drive shaft a little, so maybe over time we can work on that. But so far this has been pretty good. Can't argue about it. 51mm shocks all the way around. The Tattoo 450 has been the perfect size for this. It's kind of held in there with just some rubber bands right now, but it keeps it right where I need it. I could probably flip this motor around, but I haven't really committed to that yet. So we're gonna leave it how it is so far, and hopefully everything is going to stay pretty good. I used the Deadbolt body, the original, and I ended up using magnets and letting the motor poke out a good bit there. So we got it trimmed up pretty good so it fits right in between there. So one thing I have to note, I've never had a set of these axles, the Isokinetics. The steering angle is insane. Insane. I've never had anything with that much angle. It's an insane experience driving it, so you can really put it where you want it. You're really not backing up that much. Next, I'd like to touch on the BigKidTinyTrucks ESC. This thing has been killer. Setup, pretty much a breeze. Went over a couple things with the guy that makes them. We came up with some information for the Fat Viper. So far it's been perfect. Everything about the ESC has been great. A lot of adjustability, all kinds of stuff you can do. It has 5 amp BEC I think right now, so that's pretty dope. Everything about it has just been smooth, very good. My only issue I really had was this worm gear in the rear. When I swapped the worm gear that came with the axles, I didn't realize there was a little tiny O-ring on the diff gear. So swapped that around, ended up putting two of those little O-rings on the pinion gear. That really helped it. I was having an issue where it was binding coming downhill, and it was catching whenever it got load on this rear axle here, a lot of weight onto it, and it was kind of skipping. So that helped a ton. So if you have any issues with those axles, or if it's cogging like when it's loading the rear, you can double O-ring that gear there, and it should poke it out. I haven't had really any issues with this moving at all. When I first built this, it was just kind of like a lot of slop in the drive shaft there, but it's great now. Another good thing is these tires slept on. RC 4-wheel drive Scramblers, so soft. I'm currently running a softer, like small Injora yellow inserts in here, so I've got tons of conformity. They've been great. The wheels, faces, these B-block faces are from Angry Squirrel RC. Find him on Instagram or Etsy. He does a drop every so often of custom B-block faces, and they're great, obviously. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Flat skid from the AX, not the SCX, and we're gonna go check it out, see what it can do. It's a beast. All right, we made it. Let's check it out. Basket in tow. Let's go. Let's go check it out. See what this thing does on the course.
Dude, your tire was shredded.
Oh, I know. Ropey.
Okay, that's what I say. It's perfect spot.
Two places for each stuff. Yeah, she knows you got her something.